One thing about men, they will embarrass you. So anyway, guys, let's get to start off today. You know, the rest of the house is some money pays and for sale. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Sunday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. So before I get to Coco Nchangazi, guys, yesterday the alleged boyfriend Yakavuyo Kazi, the one that she came out to say they were not dating, she was lying, guys. The girlfriend Yakazuzu, she said a lot of stuff to say. Guy called Vuyokazi to come to Pretoria. They've booked a hotel. They were spending time together. You know, they went to the club. So Uge lied to her followers to say, I don't know the guy. I met the guy. I came here for content. So again, yesterday, Uzonzo guys say he will be spending time with his main girlfriend. He went on to say, sorry for putting us in that position. I know seeing me with another woman made you feel hurt and disrespected. That's me. I love you and I chose you. I want to do the work to end your trust. I love you and I want to rebuild your trust. You deserve better and I'm committed to show you that. So currently they're in Polokwane, guys. They were spending time together, enjoying, living their best life. Uvuyokazi Dololo, guys. So, you know, when we say men will embarrass you, this man has destroyed a brand Yakavuyokazi. Hopefully Uvuyokazi should do something about it. Sometimes, guys, when God bless you, you need to stay away from Vuyokazi. There was no need to date that man, guys. There was no need for Vuyokazi to be in that position, to find herself hanging out in Abu Inomrolong, guys. That was a bad move for Vuyokazi. Hopefully we pray she come back, she do the right thing. We all do mistake. So guys, the one thing about my 2000 Coco Nchangazi, we know her as a stepdaughter Sakanosipho Nchangazi. She posted the guy on her Instagram story to say isinkwa Vuyokazi. One thing about my 2000 guys, ayadelela, and people were laughing to say, Haibo lengani mara, what is wrong with you guys? She's even closed the comment section because she can see what she's doing is wrong. But one thing about my 2000, they will do anything. So guys, we just pray and hope Vuyokazi should do the right thing. There's no need for you to chase money, guys. You're already making your own money. One thing about these influencers, guys, they want to live a life as if you guys are making 200k. Sometimes you're going to pay the price. Right now, Vuyokazi, she's paying the price for wanting more. Like, also, yes, he's rich as money, but for what? For what are you benefiting? So anyway, guys, it is what I said. You know, forget to subscribe, to like, a comment, a happy Sunday.